Welcome to this week's edition of Lung and Respiratory Research Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs, brought to you by LucidQuest. Vertex Pharmaceuticals has received approval from the European Commission for ALYFTREK, a once-daily triple combination CFTR modulator that includes deutivacaftor, tezacaftor, and vanzacaftor. It is approved for patients age 6 and older with at least one non-class 1 CFTR mutation. ALYFTREK now holds the broadest label for any CFTR modulator globally. In head-to-head trials, it demonstrated superior reduction in sweat chloride compared to Kaftrio. An estimated 31,000 people in the EU are now eligible for this therapy. GRI Bio has completed enrollment in its Phase 2A trial evaluating GRI 0621 for idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. The trial enrolled approximately 35 patients. Interim analyses at 2 and 6 weeks confirmed the drug was safe and well tolerated. GRI 0621 targets invariant natural killer T cells, also known as iNKT cells, with the goal of slowing fibrosis progression. Biomarker data are expected later this month, and top-line results are anticipated in Q3 of 2025. Pliant Therapeutics has announced it is discontinuing development of bexotegrast in IPF after findings from the Beacon IPF study revealed safety concerns. The drug showed early signs of benefit in forced vital capacity, but that improvement was not sustained. Increased adverse events related to IPF led to an unfavorable risk-benefit profile. Pliant will now shift focus to its oncology programs and earlier stage assets. Merck's Winrevair has been granted priority review by the FDA following data from the Zenith trial in pulmonary arterial hypertension. The trial demonstrated a 76% reduction in major morbidity and mortality events related to pulmonary arterial hypertension. Due to overwhelming efficacy, the study was halted early. Winrevair is already approved in the US, and this review may broaden its label and clinical impact. Shionogi has submitted a supplemental NDA in Japan for pediatric approval of ensitrelvir, its oral COVID-19 antiviral. The filing seeks to extend use to children aged 6 and older, weighing at least 20 kilograms. Phase 3. Data showed safety and antiviral activity comparable to adults. Currently, no oral COVID-19 antivirals are approved for children under 12 in Japan. A new 25 milligram formulation was also filed to simplify pediatric dosing. Shionogi has also announced a global collaboration with Vertex to develop new treatments for nontuberculous mycobacterial lung infections. The partnership will advance the BV500 program, focused on ansamycin-based, orally bioavailable, broad-spectrum compounds. Vertex will receive 5 million Swiss francs up front, with potential milestone payments totaling up to 479 million. The program aims to combat increasing resistance and mortality in nontuberculous mycobacterial lung disease. Stay ahead in lung and respiratory health research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.